Hey everyone, I'm super excited to introduce you to the new Microsoft Surface Pro, now in a super portable 12-inch size. It's the ultimate all-in-one device, and I'm going to show you 3 ways it fits into my day. When it's time to get things done, I just snap on the keyboard and boom, full laptop mode. This thing is crazy fast. Whether I'm running a ton of apps or just multitasking like a pro, it keeps up with no lag. Oh, and guess what? It's a Copilot Plus PC. That means I have a built-in AI assistant that helps me get a head start on my projects. Detach the keyboard and now it's a tablet. I use the pen to mark up notes in PowerPoint, sketch out ideas in OneNote, or even just scroll the web with my fingers. So yeah, that's a day with the Surface Pro 12-inch, a laptop and a tablet in one. With an awesome touchscreen, a killer battery life, and fast performance, plus Copilot.